Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this section, we have to cover actually our checkout page. What we look like in our previous section, we have to complete the add to cart, right? And when you cart, look at this. This is the sweet alert is coming, and this is our cart data. Okay, and when praise go to cart, it will be not going because actually this will be not completed, but here is our live url. Okay, so first of all, I just go to this home page, and this is our actual project. And when you just got into add to cart, look at this pop up. Okay, now go to the checkout and perfectly move to our checkout. And also look at this is our all of this payment method, and all of things will be available here. And you just go to the edit option, and here you just see here is the coupon, actually instructed to create a coupon. And here we just apply for this is a checkout. Okay, you can update your cart accordingly. Just click and look at that. This is a card data will be uploaded, and actually this pages will in here. So we need to create a two pages. First, this created a checkout pages, and also as well as create the cart pages. I hope you will be clear about this. In this video, I just cover both of things. But this video will be so long. Just keep patience, and step by step, I just uh, show is everything. First, we need to create a cart page, and after completing the cart page, we just jump to our checkout pages. Now go to VS Code and shoot. Take care. Now here is our VS Code, and just clear for this file first, and just keep our web.php. Look at that. This is our cart route is already created, and this function will be not created. So cart add cart all. Better we just go to our cart controller, and no index file will be created in here. So but before this, we just also manage our another cart. It look like we are needed actually two route yet actually remain. It could be one is gate. The function name is facecart, and another route will be created. It will be the post route. Here is our remove cart. I just show you, but route will be created first. Now we are jump to our controller. Please mention your opinion. Actually, series is going on because I don't understand actually if this course will be helpful or not. If we'll put some comment, and I also some inspired and motivated, to be honest. So now route is created, and jump to our controller and start our controller actually. And all of the source code I will be put in part to part. Source code you will be just get to our video description. Okay. Now this is our index function. So return view. Is fine. This knot is not at least creating yet. So now go to our. This is actually our font end. Look at the pages. Font end. Here is the pages and need to be cart. Okay. So it's the file cart, and cart will be our index. Okay. Just show this file. Here actually our template. This template looks like this is our cart. Okay, and cart page is looks like the similar. So we need to manage actually this the entire things actually needed for this here. We probably we need to make sure in here. So better just now to inspect and I just check it. But actually, which section, which part I will be covered as a cart area section. So better we just all of these things for copy and I just check it is it work or not or something. Okay, just now paste. But before this, we need some fix the issue. Here we this for extends frontend.master. Perfect. And after that, at the right section content and would be the end section. Okay. But before this, actually, these pages will be loaded by Ajax. Okay. Better we just come from our breadcrumb. So our breadcrumb look like include frontend dot section. Actually, here is our breadcrumb in here. I am not sure is it were here or not. So we not created breadcrumb yet. I just check it. Okay. No, breadcrumb is not created. So it will be needed for breadcrumb. Breadcrumb dot plate dot php. Okay. This is our breadcrumb, and better we just put for this breadcrumb. That's it. Breadcrumb. Okay. And now we just here is our breadcrumb part. Okay, so just inspect, and here is our breadcrumb area. So just make copy element. Okay, now just paste it. Here is our title, and that's it. We just make the places of title, breadcrumb, home pages, shopping cart. So here is the title. What actually it? And now here title just put it and okay. And now this is a breadcrumb. We just pass the title title. So pass for array data. Okay, this is our shopping cart. Perfect, perfect. I just we just check it, and here is our index, and okay, here is our index. Okay, so in here, actually, all of this thing is needed, but look at a cart, make the another folder into the cart called partial because JavaScript file will load in here. And call is main dot play dot php. Just check it, and later it will be changes or not. I just check it. So better we just paste in here, and here we just make a comment. This ID, but why is not suggested? Cart main content. Okay, cart main content, and another its comment will be the big factor too easy to understand what the actual thing, because your project is so big, and if you edit or see some couple of years later or 6 or 7 months later, it will uh, normal common here to be used as for good. So if you make a comment, you will be easily grabbed for this area, so it's important. That's fine. Okay, card main content we just manage it, and another we just load the script. So better. Okay, this is how I say it. Okay. Everything will be fine, and just go to our index.js, and actually here all get data, and now the face card data. Okay, now we start our jQuery. So once again document.ready function, and it will be close, and after that function will be face cut. Okay, and just keep close this function and better. Okay, now initialize the URL. Actually here is this is a variable face and cart. Actually, is it created or not? Yes, it's created. Okay, so nice. The cart is the URL is just, and now the pass for the AJAX function. The AJAX will be, and here we just keep close. Perfect. And first we how to send by AJAX. We have already knows actually does AJAX. So first pass by URL, and then pass actually which request will be how actually get or post. or anything. It will be our delete post or something. Lots of post HTTP request actually. Put will also them update when you update the data. Request type will be post also, but we just manage for get actually, right? Look at that, is the type equal to get. Okay. After that, pass the data actually nothing. You just pass actually our token. Okay, here is our token. And now this the response. So it's a two type of response. One is success and will be error. So better first we need bring for success response. Okay, and how actually response is the response dot status equal to success. Then the cart main content will be loaded. Look at that. Okay. Actually, here is this. This is a cart main content. This is the cart main content. Actually, we just load in here. Okay, and this is this content will be there is a main, but after that, what's actually the step by step I manage it. So now this is our actually face card. So so web.php and face card controller. This function will not make currently. Okay, so okay, don't worry, we just make the function. Actually, what's the name? So face cut. Here actually our face cut, and yeah. Okay, so first actually face cut, we need to grab our actually face cut will be created or not. Not created, but because we just grab the cookie, so that's why pass the request. So request, now request. Okay, and now okay, it's actually card service. Now this is our view card. The sample request to was this video step by step and follow the playlist. Otherwise, it will be really difficult to understand because is the segment is maintains the serial is the key. I just show this whole entire project. This project actually so big. So if you properly not follows this step by step, otherwise is you know not understand. So here is a view cut will be called by pass the request. So go to our cart service. I just show you the view cut all face cut. Actually not. Okay. Okay. This is our view card. This is the request. Fine. Because it's called this repository. Okay. And here is a call for repository. The cart repository will be not created in our repository. So cart repository. What's the issue? Oh, I just gonna be the mistake here. There's lots of mistake. Not in here. So we just go to service first and this service will be in here, and also put the entire things actually in here. So oh yes, already view cart will be already created, so not to create it and go to our cart repository, because cart data will be already we will be applied in our here header. Okay, I just show you. And here is a look at this. This is actually this is a card data, and this card data will face into our card pages. Okay. And all also the keep mention the keep solve. Actually, here is our project, and look at this home all courses card block. So it's time to need to fix for that. So okay, I just covered almost all and everything. So just please wait. Now go to BS Code. Actually, this data will be show actually our in here. Okay, okay, fine. So now, so okay, fine. All of this is the view card. So actually, here is our card controller. So already, this view card will be calling here. So also this is the face cut. This function is also calling here. Okay, fine. Okay. Now the guest token. Actually, we need to retrieve the cookie. Cookie. Because guest token is also stored in our browser. In previously, I have to shown for this previous video. String UUID. Previously will be created. Oh no. So okay, I just managed for this. This is string. Okay. Str string. I just manage this. There will be two things. Just initialize the class. So use illuminate support string. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Now what will be done now? Guest token will be came in here. Now, this is the cart items. Actually, all of the cart item will be needed. So cart items. So what items? Here is the cart model. This is the cart model, and this will be guest token. What will be? Yes, the guest token, right? Yeah, so guest token, and now the subject. Fine. Here is the cart items. Okay, now fine. This is the total amount. Actually, it's a discount and selling price. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is the cart items. for the sum. This is the function. Okay. This is another function of sum. Here is the card item sum function. Actually, we just pass the data of card items. Okay. When the service is called the view card, already cart items. Here is the guest token, and this cart items will be passed in here actually. Okay. Okay. Now here is this, just the cart item sum function cart item. We just the total amount of price. Okay. So cart items into cost discount. Oh, so no. Cart item dot course discount price. Okay, because database was discount price, and also cart items. Some the issue. Here is some error actually. Cart items. Some here is the cart items, not cart items. Here is the cart items. So is the similar name will be the problem. So cart item course discount price, and this the cart item course selling price. Okay, that's the selling price. And what would be written? Actually written cart item quantity into. Okay. Yeah, maybe. And here we just pass the HTML. Here actually pass the HTML equal to so view frontend dot pages dot cart partial dot main. Wait. And also what, make the compact. This compact will be the cart and subtotal. Wow, subtotal. And it need to be the render. Status will be success and HTML equal to HTML. Okay, done. I hope it will be done. Our face cut will be done. Perfect. And here is our index.js, and this cart content will be rendered in this HTML. And this is our actually main.blade.php actually here in render. Here is just we put the static data, but don't worry, I just manage it. Before this, I just ensure for this our JS. Here we need for another success, another error function. Okay, why this error is gone? Now here this the put the error. Okay, this is actually the error. And now this our documentation also look at it. This is the face cut will be need to be call here. So better we need to record in here. Okay, so it will be, because of that this is the get method and this function is called, because when data is updated automatically, this function will be called in here. Fine. So now this is our main.blade.php, and here we just for start work. Okay, here is our table static. Here is the table row. It's a two row. Apply code. Got. We just keep all of these things. So before this, we just for remove first. Okay, one by one, I just manage it. So first, we just keep actually our image. Okay. Uh, Now put in the image. Then we need for product details. We need for the product details. Okay. Then need for the price. Here is this. Here is the price, and also need for this section. Okay. Done. So here is a two row. We don't need so far. We just need for one. Because of that, we just here this is the pass for this is a card controller. Here is the pass from our status success. So go to our index, and I will be understand what actually pass response.html, and here we just pass for cart and subtotal. Okay, this is the cart data, and this is the our subtotal. So okay, go to our main.blade.php. We just work with our cart. So first of all, we just need for else. Because of that, okay, and empty function. You know that what's the empty here is no data found actually. So no data found, and is int for is okay. Int for else. Okay, and now you just must be push for in here. Okay, fine. Before this, here is lot of things, so we just remove once again. We just better, so just remove first. No need for this here, just for the table row. First we just place for the image, right? So here just put for our image, and in here actually this image is item course image. Okay, now what will be the second one will be the item course name. Yes, this is the item course name. Oh no, what's the table 8? Just put the course name, and also we name the username and title. I just show you, you will be understand. Okay, it's good. And look at it, this is our live project. Here is the course name, and here is the course description, and also show the instructor name of these courses. So it will be, so we just first of all we just grab the image, and also the name of this course, and also actually this is the title, and this is the, oh no, this is the title, and this is the course name. Okay, so now here is, this is the course name will be done, and now this is the remaining for course title and course username. Okay, so okay, We just paste in, and here something is just course username, and this is a course title. It's a simple one. Just the format the document of the coded. Okay. And last, we just for our discount price and selling price also. This is our discount prices and this our selling price. And previously, and I just covered, and also this is our button, and button is just like as our remove the data. So look at this. Here is also the table data. Okay. Here is this pass data ID is item.id. Because of that, we need to remove the data and also reduce the data of our cart item, because here Ajax will be called in here. I just show you. Here our index.js and will be data is perfectly in here face cart. So I just check it. So now go to the browser. Okay, here is our browser. Here is the true data. So before this, we just make sure for this header. Okay. Now go to our actually fonted header user. Go to where is our header? Look at it, it's a header. So just search for the main. Main actually what the main? Yes, this is the main menu. Okay. So just remove first all of this remove, and there's no in exactly just okay. I'll just now read it. Submit. Just to remove actually. We just remove better. Okay. Now first list will be our home. Just put in here. Fine. And second will be needed for our all courses. This actually our all courses. Okay. And third will be needed our card. And last will be our needed our blog. And yes. Okay, this is a route card and this card is already created, right? Okay, fine, fine. So header.blade.php, perfect. We just check it is everything will be right or okay. Just here and just keep reload. Okay, here is our cart. Okay, and just go to our cart. Yes, look at that. The data will be came in here. Perfect. Here is this actual value and here is the price. And go to our main project and here is exactly same. Okay, exactly same. Actually, this data is rendered from our Ajax. And now here is this challenge for the remove data. Because of that, look at this our main project. When is reload remove, and this real time is remove. Also update our card also. Okay. So here look at that. This is our card, and this data will not to our dynamic. Okay, is required to need to be functional. So let's go and okay, now go to our index.blade.php. Oh no, 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 no. So main.blade.php. Okay. Okay. And now here is our remove, and look at that. This is our apply code, update cart, also cart total, subtotal. Here is the area. We just managed to this. Okay. Yeah, this is the area we just managed for our checkout. So better. Okay, here is our subtotal. This here actually subtotal. Actually, what is a subtotal? You just here you just pass for this here for this controller. Okay, we may give actually subtotal function and got the data and place in our main.play.php. Actually, I hope subtotal is work. It's total actually at this moment I just put in the subtotal also, but we just to be remembered for this we just apply for our coupon. Okay, so now go to a browser and check it. Okay, just keep reload. Here this is our actually this subtotal and total actually not will be to total comes from the coupon, but at this moment I just keep it into here. After that, when coupon functionality will manage also handle for this here or the coupon, but before this we need to make delete for this data. Okay, and this function will be need to be work. So okay, and go to our index.js, and here we just this is our face card. Okay, and now this remove button will be working here, and that's it. Just close the bracket. So one click remove course button. Why remove course button? Because of that this is a remove course button, and look at that. Actually look at it, remove course button and pass. What is the data will be passed? It's item.id. Okay, fine. Okay, this is our index.js, and now just first grab the id actually with those id will be passed in here. Just grab into our variable and also define our route. Actually what route will be working here? This remove cart route will be working here. Fine. And going to our call the AJAX function, and this is our AJAX function, and this AJAX function it's look like. Okay, perfect. Now url. Okay, uh, type equal to post. This data id equals to id. Because of that this variable data will be passed in here. Here is the data is passed in here, first of all token, and this id will be passed in here. Perfect. And now we have to two things. So one is success and other will our error. Here is a success, and we need to be here. You know that pass the sweet alert if response dot status equal to success. That's it, success. Then we just pass for sweet alert, toast notification. Okay, and when data is deleted we need to update our face card. So just need to be call in here. This face card will be called into in here, otherwise data will be not updated. Okay, this face card, if you didn't call the face card, this data will be not updated. Need to reload the page. Okay, and also what will be, we also pass our gate cut. Right, here is also pass the gate cut, and this gate cut function will be here is the gate cut function. Here is the gate cut, so we need to also our call our gate cut function. Okay, and now just here we just success will be done, then error. Once success will be done, while the success will be done, is given the comma and is zero. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, and now what is this? This is a remove card. While this is a reface remove card. Remove card function is not to create our card controller. So now to destroy our card data. So remove card. Okay. Now this is a controller, and here is our remove card, and here this is our card item. First of all, find a card data. Okay. So just in here, so request ID. Actually, we just pass the ID. Because of that, here is our index.js, and is the pass of the ID. Okay, fine. In this is the ID, request ID, and here, okay, is the not card item. Data will be not get into the database, then return response for this another status will be message cart item is not found. If ID is not match of the our cart table, sorry, our database cards and cart model actually, then remove the card, then remove the card. Perfect, and there's a return response JSON. Okay, so now this is the card and this is the JSON status success message course remove from card. There is a remove card. Okay, just reload the browser. Actually got the error. So oh no, data will be loaded. So why so much late? I don't understand. But just click in here. Yes, card removed successfully and no data found will be shown in here. Perfect, perfect. And now we need to we need to work in checkout and go to cart. What? So not found. Okay, but we just manage for this. But our system will be not to show the cart. Okay, but here we just show in cart, but we just check it and should take action. Why this cart will be showing to here? Okay. Okay, now look at that. Here is our card.blade.php. Actually, this card.blade.php rendering here. Mm, Here is our add to go to cart. Okay, so first of all, we just put the condition here. Okay, so better we just all of the UL. Here is our UL, right? Here is our UL. So actually pass in our cart. So we just give the condition. Okay, and just put into here. One problem is solved, and another issue is here is our for is the close. Now we need to calculate our whole subtotal of our cart item. Suppose you just cart for 5 data, you need to summation of 5 because subtotal. Because of that, already subtotal in pass in here. You just remainder for this. Here is our face card, and this our face card will be here is the pass the subtotal. This is the subtotal. Okay, here is the subtotal, and this is a card. This is look at it. This is a partial. Because of this, JavaScript will be rendered in here. And now go to cart. Here is a route to be rare for our route, and this route will be checkout. We not See, we not created any route for checkout. Okay, so here this is a cart route, and that's okay. And we need for another controller for checkout controller. Here will be our front end. Okay, okay. So okay, this is a checkout route. I'm just put into a checkout route, but keep the error because of that. It is mentioned for this our checkout control and checkout dot index. So we just go to and there's a not checkout. It will be the checkout dot index. And now go to our just keep reload. Oh no, this the reload. So no show not showing for this button. Okay, when card is zero, not showing to button. Just for another things, we just to check for this here. We just try to yes try to two card. Okay, and another will be here. Okay, perfect. And also, what the hell? So it could be the error. The issue comes. This could be the error. Yes, everything is fine, but got the error. I just check it. What's the issue? I got the point. Here is the card.bullet.php. Okay, and here this card.bullet.php is a home partial card.bullet.php, and another look at the card controller. We just face card, and face card will fontaine pages card partial.main, and this card will be actually home partial. Okay, so now actually it's not a face card function. It was our cart all that was created by before, but no subtotal actually pass in here. So that's why it could be error. So now we just place for total amount. What's the actually I'm doing for in here? HTML render. Okay, fine. Just for so total amount, and total amount will be our. This is similar. Actually, we need for subtotal, right? So this is the subtotal will be in here. Just nothing else. That's okay. It's not cut items. So no needed cut items. It will be the cut. Actually, this cut will be some. Okay. And now let's pass for subtotal. But before this here is not. I just put into here. Otherwise, how you will part first for subtotal? That's okay. Okay, just keep reload. Yes, look at that. And this is total is it 75? It's really amazing. And go to cart. Actually, checkout is not checkout page is not created, so that's why you face the error actually. So checkout function will not created, but don't worry. Next, we just make it. And admission is not needed actually. Here it says just remove. Once the first project and no admission. So better we just remove. Okay. Okay, now go to our header.blade.php. Actually, header is section including into section. So now go to our header. Yeah, look at the header, and yes, you just see that route card and also the checkout. Also, what the checkout actually no header, better. Here is the shop card. Admission is not needed. Okay, just pause for the admission. Okay, actually partial dot main. Let's go to here is this card home partial card dot plate dot php, and here checkout dot index. Okay, so this the okay fine, and now go to our web dot blade dot php and go to our checkout controller and just make a function for public function index. So okay, first to be required for the guest token. This is our similar way. Here is this. This is a guest token because of this possible request. Dollar request. Okay, perfect. Then go to our cart with the course and guest token will be gate. Here is this string. We string that illuminates support facade. Actually, this the facade. Okay. Now this the one second. This card will be. This is a cart model. Initially is the cart model, and so with definitely course. Uh, guest token to dollar guest token and just get now calculate. Okay, this is some function and will be the item. Okay, this is the what. Yeah, and this is okay. This is the pages checkout. Go to our font end. There's a font end, and this is a pages. So better to make another folder for checkout and call for index.plate.php. Okay, Nice. Now here is our static template. Okay, so if you just go to our pages, and here is our checkout. Just click for checkout and look at that. This is our actually checkout pages. Okay, so we'll better control U, control A, just okay. Now just paste it. So we don't need, but before this, we just skip format. This is a long file, need couple of times. So we don't need so far. We just need the main, this header part. Just close. Here is our breadcrumb, okay, and here is our section padding. This two area will be needed. No section footer will remain, so no data will be required. So better we just move to delete, and also here will be deleted, and okay, and also deleted and not needed for Safaris. Okay. Now here is the extend for font in master, right? What the hell? Okay. Here is this extend, and section will be content, and end section, and here is not needed. Include front end dot section dot breadcrumb, and title will be our checkout. What will be the title? Title will be checkout. Okay, checkout. Perfect. Okay, now this is our section. There is a lot of things here, but what can I do actually? First, we need for a form. This are actually the section. Here is a full section. The section will be our card area. So better create a form. Here is a form, and end of the form. Okay, just format. Because we don't create for order route, right? I just check it is order route is created or not. Maybe not. Order route is not created, so it's gonna be the error. We just keep the empty of this order. Now here, this is our first name, last name. Okay. So here is the bootstrap class. We don't need so much audit. We give some error when this error data will be passes. So this is our billing details. So better if have any error. So this is our validation error actually. Okay. I just show you, but don't worry. Because of that, this is same things I have done in previous time for multiple times. So reduce this time because this tutorial series is already passing 3 months. So it's required to needs to finish and bring our new project as soon as possible. So that's why repeated work will not create it actually. So here is our actually input. What can I do? What can I do? This is the fast name, so better we just remove the div. Here is the fast name. Okay, sorry. So just remove all this fast name and just put up this. And better we just remove all of these things. Email address is not needed. Phone number we just created. Okay, we don't need so far. We just remove. So just keep for the first name. Okay, fine. After completing the first name, we just also keep the last name. And here is this last name. Look at this. This is the value is user dot last name, because of this user is come from our what is the checkout controller, and this checkout controller, look at that, this is our user is like is nothing, is just for all authentication user will be placed in here. You just will be understand when complete these phases. Just keep patience some couple of minutes. I just describe in later also. Is a auth email address will be passed in here boxes, and here is our auth email address. Is a pass for user email, otherwise empty. Okay, and after passing the email address, definitely need for a phone number. So here will be a phone number. Okay, after that, here actually this address. Here is our address. Okay, not needed for here for these other things. Okay, here this drive or something. So better we just payment method we just make it later. Just make a comments as a card. Okay, and here is our order details. Okay, now okay, here is our order details, and look at this. This details will be this order detail list. Here is this list. One div and another div, not required for two div, because we already pass the controller. Look at the checkout controller, and here is the pass for card data. Okay, so that's why this card data will be start for this for else. There is a for else. Here is the for else item at the rate empty. You already knows this actually the for else work. No card data found. Here is a no card data found, and in for else. That's it. And here is our media. The first of all, this image will be replaces. What actually image? It just pass for asset image item course. Just remove this actually course image, and also here this name and discount also. Okay, now this is the image. So here is the another things will be. What the issue here is encode tag. So no course name slug, it will be the course name. Slug will be later, and another things will be here is discount price and also the selling price. So is lots of time in this work, so better we just copy here and paste. Okay, this is a simple if a discount price is present and this discount price or otherwise selling price, that's it. Otherwise no card data. And also need to change our original price. Okay, okay, order summary original price like total. Okay, alright, yeah, okay, that's a total. And coupon discount, we not created any coupon, so maybe not changes for others thing because this coupon will be not created, so better is total equals to total. It's needed for coupon. Next video I just manage for coupon for our instructor dashboard to the yeah, and of this instructor dashboard to make a coupon. Okay, I just show the browser is some actually data will be came or not. Okay, finally and here we just give reload. It skipped some time actually what is error or not, because some image will be missing, I'm sure. Here is some image will be broken, that's why it needs for time some couple of courses here. Oh, okay, lots of courses including business category. Okay, also one IT and no finance. Okay, no problem. So we just go to cart, actually checkout, and look at that. So everything, yes, two data will be came into here. Okay, that's very perfect. And $50 and $25, and order price is $75 because of the coupon discount is not created. So that's why calculator total calculation will be not calculated. Here is this the area will be broken, first name last name a phone number, and okay, I check it and let's say edit and pass the card page. Okay, here is this card page in the pass. Okay, now this data will be came in here. Actually, total. And this is our here, so better not needed here for the row. Hmm, what the issue? Actually, form in created in here. Also, form is created in here is not needed. It's not needed. Okay, here is also form. No need this. We just conducted only one form. Okay. Okay, check it. So now keep reload. Oh, not fixes. Okay. Here is this missing for deep plus row, so better. I hope everybody is know about the Buddhist stuff, so it's not a new things. Now go check it. And also go to our card here. Order details. Look at this. This say edit. Okay, so we just already created a card data. So route will be our card. Okay, and now just keep reload once again. Yes, is a come and go to our edit. I hope that this card data will be work. And so when his project is ready, it's not gonna be the reload because of that. Here is this image is missing, so that's why you need to take some sometimes. So okay, this page will be also put the checkout page link, and let's go to our checkout pages. Okay, thank you. This project is this video is already so much long, and I will try to actually to share long video with you because lots of things will be grabbed for this one video. That is help to easy to realize or understand whatever you want to say. So I put a lot of effort. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have any uh, needed or any question, so please drop it comment box below. And once again, thank you so much. uh, Please comment and share if you like this content, or please share for this. And let's see for this next video. And next video will be manage actually instructor can create the coupon, and when this instructor create the coupon, here is the apply coupon, and this coupon will be effect on here. Okay, so okay, let's see for this next video.